Gregory James, a professor with the Language Center of the Hong Kong University, believes that more than 100 words in the Oxford English Dictionary have Tamil origin, and that could be even more. The third edition of the OED, published online since 2000, contains approximately 400,000 words. We are going to see some words that you'll be surprised to know that they are of Tamil origin. Let me start with this video with a disclaimer that this is not my statement. If you are a Tamil speaker, you can easily understand these words: Kasu, Kattamaram, Suruttu, Kurundam or Kuruvindam, Melagu, Tannir, Pachai Ilai, Pandal. Let us see the first word now. But as usual, you will also see a small phrase using the word, so you learn something out of it. Imagine the man in the phone saying, "Nothing happens without money." காசு இல்லாம ஒரு காரியமும் நடக்காது. Now you could understand what காசு is. It is cash. Nothing happens without cash or காசு. When we say காசு in Tamil, it means both money and cash. காசு இல்லாம ஒரு வேலையும் நடக்காது. ஒரு வேலையும் means not even a single work. Without money, not even a single work will get through or happen. காசு இல்லாம ஒரு காரியமும் நடக்காது. Due to the cyclone, the fastened Kattamaram were all washed away. புயல் காத்து அடிச்சதுல கட்டி வச்சிருந்த கட்டமரம் அத்தனையும் அடிச்சுக்கிட்டு போயிடுது. Here Kattamaram means the wooden raft that is used on water. Kattu means to tie and maram means wood. So you tie the wood together to get Kattu Maram. And that becomes Kattamaran in English. You can have a look at the image. புயல் காத்து அடிச்சதுல due to the cyclone, கட்டி வச்சிருந்த the fastened, கட்டு மரம், கட்டமரன், அத்தனையும் each and everything அடிச்சுக்கிட்டு போயிடுச்சு, were blown away, washed away. புயல் காத்து அடிச்சதுல கட்டி வச்சிருந்த கட்டமரம் அத்தனையும் அடிச்சிட்டு போயிடுச்சு. See, as I went there, all those oldies were smoking cigars. அந்த பக்கம் போனா கிழங்கட்டங்க எல்லாம் உட்காந்துக்கிட்டு சுருட்டு பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்குதுங்க. சுருட்டு is the word and it is kind of a cigar. Cigar leaves shredded and rolled into another leaf. At least that is how it looks. I have no idea how they do it. Kerangatanga is a very colloquial word for old person. You cannot use it to refer someone as it may be considered rude. It is just a slang word for old people. But since you are all becoming advanced learners, soon I am making you ready with all type of words for you to know. அந்த பக்கம் போனா, as I went there, கிழங்கட்டங்க எல்லாம், all oldies, உட்காந்துக்கிட்டு seated and சுருட்டு பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்குதுங்க, smoking cigars. அந்த பக்கம் போனா கிழங்கட்டங்க எல்லாம் உட்காந்துக்கிட்டு சுருட்டு பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்குதுங்க. The next word, even I was also surprised when I came across this first. When I heard the word Mulligatawny, I was surprised. So is that just the pepper water? Mulligatawny na odane na enno nenechen. Melagu thanni thana adu. Now you get it. Melagu in Tamil means pepper and thanni in Tamil means water. And therefore it is Melagu thanni that has become Mulligatawny soup. மிளகுட்டானின்னு உடனே நான் என்னவோ நினச்சேன். மிளகு தண்ணி தானே அது? மிளகுட்டாணின்னு உடனே நான் என்னவோ நினச்சேன். மிளகு தண்ணி தானே அது. They're really impressed all having the pandal stretch over to half a kilometer. கல்யாணத்துக்கு அரை கிலோமீட்டருக்கு பந்தல் கட்டி அமர்க்கலப்படுத்திட்டாங்க or அமர்க்கலப்படுத்தியிருக்காங்க. Pandal is more commonly, those days with a combed or woven coconut leaves formed to be a shade, which is mainly for shade, and you'll still find it in festivals and celebrations in villages, and it is the use and dismantled. It's kind of use and throw. You can just type in Google images pandal and coconut leaf pandal and you'll see a lot of it. கல்யாணத்துக்கு அரை கிலோமீட்டருக்கு பந்தல் கட்டி அமர்க்கலப்படுத்தியிருக்காங்க. The other words are kurundam, that is not so commonly used. It is a high language. And pachai ilai is pacholi, used in fragrances. So these are some of the words, and I'm sure there should be many more. If there are thousands of words in a language, logically some of the words should have been a derivative of another word from different languages. I hope these were some interesting facts for you to know. Be sure to subscribe, like and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos. And you can also follow Instagram, through which you can daily refresh your learning, a few seconds of your time regularly, and that can be very helpful. All the best with your Tamil learning. Bye-bye.